How to install a Yale Smart CCTV system. Whether it's for your home or business, Yale's Smart CCTV range offers a complete solution with HD cameras, night vision and a recordable hard drive. Each kit can be linked to an internet connection to sync up to your mobile devices, so you can view footage anywhere using a smartphone or tablet, iOS or Android, for ultimate peace of mind home or away. Open the box to check the contents, making sure all kit is included. Depending on the model you've chosen, you will either receive a pack made up of 2 or 4 cameras. The first step in the installation process is to decide on the positioning of your CCTV cameras. It's important to select a suitable range, taking care to cover the higher risk areas of your property, such as the driveway. Once you've decided on the positioning of your cameras, you will need to drill the main hole for the CCTV camera cables. To avoid wires being exposed, we recommend installing cables internally. If you do decide to run cables externally, make sure they are not exposed by using an IP-rated junction box to extend the cables if necessary. You can install internal cables using a Powerline internet extender. Please note these are sold separately. At this stage, you will need to line up the CCTV camera to the drilled hole created in the previous step. Using a pencil, you will now need to mark the positions for the fixing screws. Once the positions are marked correctly, drill the holes into the wall and attach the camera using the fixing screws provided. From here, you will need to attach the CCTV cables to the wall, making sure you have enough cable to easily reach up to the CCTV cameras. Link the cables together. Once fitted, it's time to set up the DVR. Taking the DVR out of the box, the first step is to make sure this will be positioned in a secure location. Keep the DVR away from the public eye in a secure space as an added security measure. Now you need to switch on the power to both the cameras and the DVR to prepare for the next step. At this stage, you should connect the DVR to the internet using the Ethernet cable provided, making sure all the cameras that you have installed are directly linked to the DVR. At this point, it is necessary to download the Yale CCTV app from the Yale Store or Google Play to allow you to view and control your system via your smartphone. Once this is downloaded, you will need to use a QR scanner on your smartphone, scanning the QR code on the DVR to link your smartphone with the app and your CCTV system. At this stage, we would also recommend changing the username and password for security reasons. If you choose to view your CCTV footage through a TV screen, you will also need to connect a monitor via the HDMI or VGA inputs located in the back of the DVR box. Once the system is installed, you can now correct the positioning of the cameras, if necessary via the app, using the Live View feature. Your installation is now complete. The CCTV range has a number of additional features, including 30 meters enhanced night vision and the ability to extend your system to create a complete Yale Smart Home security system.